Are you looking for the best angle grinders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 6 best angle grinders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, DeWalt Angle Grinder. The DeWalt D28499X is a powerful and durable angle grinder that is perfect for a variety of applications. The 11-amp AC/DC motor provides plenty of power and the dust ejection system helps to keep the tool running smoothly. The one-touch guard allows for easy and accurate guard placement, while the quick change wheel release makes it easy to change out the grinding wheel. The side handle is ergonomically designed for comfort and the spindle lock button maximizes the depth of cut. The auto-off brushes shut the tool down when they need to be replaced to avoid damage to the tool. At number 2, DeWalt Brushless Cutoff Grinder. DeWalt's brushless motor technology gives this cordless impact driver the power to complete a wide range of applications. With a no-load speed of up to 9,000 RPMs, it can handle even the most challenging jobs. The cordless impact driver also has a shorter and lighter design than the DCB200, making it more convenient to use. Plus, it has no memory and virtually no self-discharge for maximum productivity and less downtime. Whether you're a professional contractor or a do-it-yourselfer, the DeWalt Brushless Cordless Impact Driver is a great tool to have on hand. It's powerful, versatile, and easy to use, making it a great addition to any toolkit. At number 3, PORTERCABLE Max Angle Grinder. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile tool for a variety of applications, look no further than the angle grinder. With a high-performance motor that produces 8,500 RPM, it's perfect for aggressive cutting, removal, and finishing. The cast metal gear housing helps dissipate heat during extended use, and the contoured over-molded handle provides increased comfort. The spindle lock allows for quick and easy wheel changes, and the 3-position side handle provides control in multiple positions. The tool-free guard makes guard adjustments quick and easy. The 20V Max system is a high-performance cordless platform. The battery and charger are sold separately. At number 4, Cordless Angle Grinder. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile cordless angle grinder, the KIMO is a great option. With a brushless motor, it delivers 9,000 RPM for quick grinding and cutting of metal, tile, rebar, and concrete. The ergonomic design and rubberized grip make it comfortable to use, and the included charger and battery make it convenient for cordless operation. The KIMO also comes with 20 accessories, including sandpaper, metal and grinding wheels, a wood cutting wheel, a hook and loop backing plate, and a carrying bag. At number 5, Hitachi Angle Grinder. The new Metabo HPT, formerly Hitachi Power Tools 6.2 amp motor, is a great tool for tough grinding jobs. With 980 W of max output power, the spindle lock allows for quick and easy disc and accessory changes. The trigger lock-on feature allows for comfortable, continuous operation. The class-leading overload durability for increased tool life and reliability is amazing. The left-mounted slide switch with quick-off feature is great for added safety. The removable, forward-canted side handle is perfect for improved control and comfort for right and left-handed users. The compact and lightweight design at 4 pounds is perfect for greater control and maneuverability, especially in overhead applications. The low-profile gear case is perfect for getting into the tightest areas. The small diameter grip is comfortable and reduces fatigue. At number 6, Metabo Angle Grinder. If you're looking for top-of-the-line quality, you can't go wrong with products made in Germany. The country has a long history of excellence in manufacturing, and that tradition continues today. German production facilities are some of the best in the world, and their employees are highly skilled and dedicated to ensuring that every product meets the highest standards. Whether you're looking for hand-assembled, hybrid, or fully automated products, you can be confident that you're getting the best possible quality when you choose products made in Germany. And because German engineering is renowned for its precision and efficiency, you can be sure that your products will work perfectly and last for years to come. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.